So I've just thought this really sick idea, yeah, is to play Bop It with a smoke alarm. This is a heat alarm, but who the hell's actually paying attention here? It's the same goddamn thing.
Bop it to start.
You know what? To be fair, I'll go out on a limb here and make it smell so good. Yeah, make it smell extra good. Yeah. Fuck, I think the lighter's run out of liquid. This clip will never go well. It's not lighting. Oh my god. Ugh. Oh, it's on fire. This is so much harder than it looks. So sorry, Mr. Hammer. Look how dirty you are now. I didn't mean to cause this. It's not my fault I lost at Bop It. You've been a good boy. Let's go. And that's how you play Bop It with a smoke alarm. Next time, get a real Bop It. Jerk off.